Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at home and doing your studies and completing your books. Today, let us learn new lesson number 13 is M R plus ing, I-N-G, ing. Look at the picture below. Read the sentences aloud. I am Rita. Okay, here this is a girl and she's telling that I am Rita. This is my family. So in the picture what you can see, it is a family. All the members are in the living room. So in your house you have different rooms. Dining room, kitchen, then storeroom, living room, your personal rooms, what you all stay to sleep, that is bedroom. So like that you have different rooms, and here that it is shown a living room where the guests come, they sit, then watch TV, then we serve some snacks for them. So that is called as a living room. Then my father is reading a newspaper. My mother is watching television. My brothers are playing chess. My pet is sleeping under the table. I am reading a book. So, this girl is describing her family. So, she is telling her name. What is her name? Yeah, she tells her name. Her name is Rita. First, she tells her name. She introduces herself. She says, I am Rita. Okay, then she tells about her family. This is my family. So all are sitting here. Mummy is there, her daddy is there, then two brothers are there, then cat is there, two brothers are playing game. Okay, so she's telling, first she's telling, my father is reading a newspaper. So what her father is doing? Yes, her father is reading a newspaper. My mother is watching television. So, Rita's mother is watching television. My brothers are playing chess. So, here her two brothers are there. What are they doing? They are playing chess game. My pet is sleeping under the table. So, here is Rita's pet. Pet cat. Okay. What pet it is? Yeah, it is a cat. Where is that cat sleeping? Under the table. And what Rita is doing? She is telling, I am reading a book. Okay. And what Rita is having a book in her hand. So, she is reading a book. So, here the words you can see is reading. So, here the is there. So, is reading, is watching. If you say my father reading a newspaper, no, it becomes grammatically wrong. Okay, sentence becomes wrong. So, the words like verbs should come is, okay, is, the, for are very important. So, here you can see is used. My father is reading a newspaper. Okay, she's telling is reading. Okay, my father is reading a newspaper. Then my mother is watching television. Is watching. Okay, you can't say my mother watching television. No, it becomes wrong English. Grammatically, it is wrong sentence. So, you have to say my mother is watching television. My brothers are playing chess. So, here E is not coming. Why E is not coming? Because brothers are given. Plural it is. If many persons are described, then it comes are. Okay, in place of is becomes are when the sentence is or the noun is plural. Okay, for singular it comes is. But the noun is a plural noun, then are comes. That's why she says, my brothers are playing chess. Okay, then my pet is sleeping under the table. So my pet is sleeping under the table. I am reading a book. So when I am introducing myself, always what will come? I am. I am reading. I am eating. I am sleeping. I am playing, like that. So when I am introducing about myself, so what should come? I am will come. I is, no, it is wrong. Okay? Then give the sentences. The given sentences tell us about what somebody is doing. Also note the following. Okay? So the given sentences tell us what someone is doing. So okay, here it is always shown here what someone is doing. It is been told by Rita. So she tells, my father is reading newspaper, mother is watching television, my brothers are playing chess, my pet is sleeping, and she tells about herself too. I am reading a book. Okay, now note this, when I comes, always am will come. Okay, when I comes, always am will come. Then when he, she or it comes, that time what will come? Is going to come. When he, she, it comes, is will come. Okay, he is playing, she is playing, it is sleeping, like that. Then when you, we, they come, what will come? Are comes. When you, we, they comes, what will come? Are comes. Okay? You are my best friend. We are playing. They are having fun. Okay? Then I am so going, like that. If you are telling, if you want, you are going somewhere, so if you want to tell your friends, okay, how you will say? I am going. So if you say I am go, it is a wrong sentence. So what is attached to that? ing is attached to go. Go, going. Come, coming. Okay, sing, singing. Like that. The words, if you just put go, it becomes a wrong sentence. That's why ing is added to go or the other sentences here. Reading, watching. Here see, if she says, if suppose Rita says, my father is read a newspaper, no, that sentence becomes a wrong sentence. So in order to frame a correct sentence, it goes, my father is reading. So when the read is there, read is like this, read. Okay, so what is been added over there? ing. Where read is there, ing is added. So reading. Okay, then watch. Watch. So what will come? Watching. Here see, watching. Then play. So if simply if she had to say, my brothers play chess, no. Okay, it is wrong sentence. So my brothers are playing. ing has to be added. Then my pet is sleeping. So sleep is there. If you say my pet sleep, it becomes a wrong sentence. So that's why what comes? You have to add ing. My pet is sleeping under the table. Then I am reading a book. So where read is there, if you say I am read a book, no, it becomes a grammatically wrong sentence. So the correct sentence is I am reading a book. So everywhere ing is added over here. Okay, when ing is added, it becomes a correct sentence. And you can understand also, if you say I read book or I read paper, I watch the television, sometimes it is not clear that what you are trying to say to others. Okay, the message becomes wrong. Okay, and then exercise number 1, look at the pictures. Here there are pictures are given. Fill in the blanks with doing words from the box given below. So here are the doing words. Okay, so what are the doing words means? Doing words means verbs, actions. Okay, what the person is doing or what the thing is doing, you come to know through the doing words. In other words, verbs. Doing words are called as verbs. So here you have in the box, verbs are there: flying, sailing, grazing, singing. Sarah is dash a song. So what will come here? Sarah is singing. Sarah is singing a song. Then second one, birds are dash in the sky. Birds are flying in the sky. See here the picture you can see. Then ships are dash in the sea. So there are many ships, not just one ship here. 1, 2, 3, 4 ships you can see. Ships are sailing. Ships are sailing in the sea. Then here there are cows. How many cows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cows are dash in the field. Cows are grazing. They are eating grass. Grazing in the field. Then exercise number 2. Add ing to the words in the brackets and fill the blanks with is, are or am. One has been done for you. My is reading. So in the bracket read is given. So read becomes reading a book. Okay, then next. We dash to the zoo. We, so it is given where we, many are there. What will come? I had said are going. Go becomes going. We are going to the zoo. Then the children dash to stories. The children, what are the children doing? Mia is telling them stories. Okay, so the children means many, here plural, 2 are there. The children are listening to stories. Then Ria dash to her mother. Ria, only one person. Ria is talking to her mother. So talk becomes talking. Ing is added to talk. So Ria is talking to her mother. Then I. So when I comes, always what will come? Am. I am listening. Where listen is there, ing is added. I am listening to music. I am listening to the music. Okay. Then exercise number 3. Look at the picture. Use ing words and is, am or are to fill in the blanks. So here there is a picture. Okay. And there is a window inside the house. Girl is there, mother is there. Then outside you can see on the window pane sitting, a bird. Then here there are 2 birds. Okay. We are. Okay. So she's telling they are not in the house. We are in the class. We are in the class. The teacher is, only one teacher. The teacher is reading. Read becomes reading. A story. The students are. The students are listening. Listen becomes listening. A bird is sitting. Sit becomes sitting on the window pane. Sheena is watching. Watch becomes watching. Sheena is watching the bird. She is not paying. Pay becomes paying attention to what the teacher is saying. Okay? She is not paying attention to what the teacher is saying. So say the whole story again. We are in the class. The teacher is reading a story. So read becomes reading, and is reading is come. Not just teacher reading a story. No. The teacher is reading a story. The students are listening. Okay. The students, where it is when the noun is plural, are comes. So students are. The student is listening will not come. The students are listening. A bird is sitting will come. A bird. Only one bird is over here sitting on a window pane. Okay. A bird is sitting on the window pane. Sheena is watching the bird. So only Sheena is watching. Okay. Rest all the other children, they are there. Here see. They are paying attention to what the teacher is teaching. Sheena is watching the bird. She is not paying attention. So pay becomes paying. She is comes to what the teacher is saying. Okay. Now we finish with the lesson number 13. So for your homework, I want you all children to read this lesson. Lesson number 13 is MR plus ING, and you draw this whole chart on your notebook, grammar notebook. Draw this chart on your grammar notebook. Right, where I comes, M will come. Then draw like this line. Then where he, she, it comes, for these three words, what will come? Is comes. Okay, is, is. Then you, are, they, what comes? Are comes. And then, so I am going, he is going, you are going, so go becomes going. Okay, draw this chart on your grammar notebook. Complete these exercises and then write these exercises. After completing these exercises on your grammar textbook, then write these exercises on your grammar notebook. Okay, and study well. Don't make mischiefs at home, but learn your lessons. Thank you.